Stop everything you're doing and make this tropical upside down pudding. It's sweet, sticky, and I'm showing you my secret 2-minute microwave hack versus the classic oven baked version. You won't believe how easy this is. Let's get into it. Woohoo! Let's prepare 9x8 tray and one for the microwave. I'm gonna go in with some melted butter. Give it a little swirl. Now we're going in with some sugar. I'm going to sprinkle it. Right, this is going to give you the real nice sticky caramelization. So when we flip it, you'll see that beautiful caramelization. You can absolutely use tinned pineapple, but I had mango and pineapple here, so I'm just using my leftover fruits. You know, it's the perfect way to save on wastage by using it to make this pudding, and it's delicious. Let's whisk our wet ingredients together. In with some condensed milk, splash of melted butter, some coconut milk, 1 large egg, pinch of salt to balance the sweetness, some vanilla extract, about a teaspoon. And I have about a teaspoon left of the brown sugar, so I'm going to pop that in. And now for the dried ingredient. In with 2 cups all-purpose flour, and we're going in with some fresh shredded coconut, but you can use desiccated coconut, the dried one, but I like the flavor that you get from the fresh one. So we're going in, just going to reserve a small amount for later, and we're going in with a teaspoon of baking powder. I'm going in with some cinnamon, some allspice, and some ginger. I'm going to give that a good mix. And we mix in the dry separately just to make sure everything gets incorporated and there aren't any lumps. At this stage, you could add a bit of sugar if you so wish. You can use brown sugar or you can use white sugar. Time to add the wet ingredient into the dry ingredient. Yeah, this is the kind of rugged consistency we're looking for. Let's pour it all over. We're going to start off with the 2 to 3 minutes microwave version. So we're going to put some of that lovely batter all over it. This is when you want something really quick to kind of fill that gap when you need something sweet and delicious and indulgent. Just gonna pour that all in, and we're going to spread it evenly over the base. We're going in a preheated oven at 175 degrees centigrade for about 20 to 25 minutes or until cooked. And that one is going in the microwave for about 2 to 3 minutes or until cooked. I'm gonna let it cool for a couple of minutes before I try to flip it. Let's see if we can flip it. I don't know about you, but I always do this with a bit of trepidation. Is it gonna come out? Is it going to work? Let's go for it. Ooh, 1, 2, 3, go. Oh, the moment of truth. Let's have a look. Whoa, look at that. Ooh, Wow, but that's looking pretty good. Look at that. Just going to sprinkle a little bit of coconut shavings around. Dot a few more pineapples around here. A few pieces of mango. Alright, let's just drizzle a little bit of condensed milk over that. And there you have it, guys. My pineapple and mango upside down pudding with a condensed milk drizzle. 3 minutes in the microwave and 20 minutes in the oven to get this beautiful caramelization. Try this one tonight and let me know which version you prefer. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more of Claudiecooks Island flavors. Enjoy!
Claudiecooks bring sunshine into your life with some lovely food and Caribbean